Have you ever wondered about the common misconceptions surrounding turmeric, the golden spice of life? A vibrant hue of gold, an earthy aroma, and a warm, slightly bitter taste, turmeric has captured our culinary and medicinal imaginations for centuries. But as with any good thing, it's been shadowed by a few myths that need a little debunking. First on our list is the myth that turmeric is a cure-all remedy.
Hey there, amazing viewers! If you're enjoying this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to show your support by smashing that like button.
Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, has been lauded for its anti-inflammatory properties and potential to boost immunity. However, it's important to remember that turmeric is not a magic bullet. It's not going to single-handedly cure cancer, reverse Alzheimer's, or make you shed those extra pounds overnight. Instead, think of it as a helpful hand, a supplement that can complement a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Next, we come to the myth that turmeric is effective without black pepper. Now, this is a tricky one. It's true that piperine, a compound found in black pepper, can enhance the absorption of curcumin by a whopping 2,000%. But that doesn't mean turmeric on its own has no value. It's still beneficial, but if you're looking to maximize its effects, pairing it with a pinch of black pepper could be a good move. Finally, we tackle the myth that more is always better. In the case of turmeric, moderation is key. Consuming it in large quantities can lead to stomach upset, nausea, and even dizziness. So remember, a little goes a long way. In a world where information is at our fingertips, it's easy to be swept away by the latest health trends and superfoods. But it's also crucial to separate the wheat from the chaff, the facts from the myths. Turmeric, like all foods, should be enjoyed responsibly and in moderation, as part of a balanced diet. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, let's delve deeper into the health benefits of turmeric. Turmeric isn't just a spice that adds flavor and color to your dishes, it's also packed with health benefits. Let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Turmeric, that golden yellow powder sitting in your spice rack, is actually a potent health booster. One of its main health benefits lies in its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or illness, a necessary defense mechanism. However, chronic inflammation can lead to serious health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Enter turmeric. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps your body fight foreign invaders and even has a role in repairing damage. But turmeric isn't a one-trick pony. It's also a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants are crucial in maintaining health as they protect your body from free radicals, harmful molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage your cells. Curcumin, being a potent antioxidant itself, can neutralize free radicals due to its chemical structure. But it doesn't stop there. Curcumin also boosts the activity of your body's own antioxidant enzymes. In that way, curcumin delivers a 1-2 punch against free radicals. It blocks them directly, then stimulates your body's own antioxidant defenses. Moving on to brain function, turmeric may just be your brain's best friend. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, which is a big deal. It has been linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. It boosts levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This increase in BDNF can stimulate the growth of new neurons and fight various degenerative processes in your brain. So adding turmeric to your diet could give your brain a helpful boost. And we can't talk about turmeric without mentioning curcumin. It's the star of the show after all. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, responsible for most of its health benefits. But here's the catch. Curcumin makes up only about 3% of turmeric by weight. That means, to really reap the benefits of curcumin, you may need to take a supplement that contains significantly more curcumin than what's found in turmeric spice. But let's not forget, turmeric itself, even without the high concentration of curcumin, offers a plethora of health benefits. It's a great source of fiber, vitamin B6, potassium, vitamin C, and magnesium. Plus, it's low in sugar and calories, making it a healthy addition to almost any dish. So it's clear that turmeric is more than just a spice, it's a superfood. But how can we get the most out of it? To reap the full benefits of turmeric, it's essential to know how to use it correctly. Let's talk about how to optimize the health benefits of this potent spice. First and foremost, it's important to know that the active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has low bioavailability, meaning it's not easily absorbed by the body. So how do we overcome this hurdle? Enter black pepper. The compound piperine found in black pepper can enhance curcumin absorption by up to 2000%. Therefore, when consuming turmeric, consider pairing it with a pinch of black pepper to amplify its benefits. Now you might be wondering, how can I incorporate turmeric into my meals? Well, the answer lies in your kitchen. Turmeric is a versatile spice and can be used in a variety of dishes. From a pinch in your morning smoothie to a sprinkle on your evening roast, its earthy flavor and vibrant color can enhance both the taste and nutritional profile of your meals. Not to mention, cooking with turmeric allows for a slow release of curcumin, making it more readily available for absorption. But remember, while it's good to incorporate turmeric into your diet, moderation is key. The recommended daily dosage of turmeric is roughly 1 to 3 grams of dried ground turmeric. This amount is enough to reap its benefits without overdoing it. A high intake of turmeric can lead to stomach upset and other unwanted side effects. Also, it's crucial to note that while turmeric has numerous health benefits, it should not be used to treat, cure, or prevent any medical conditions without consulting a healthcare professional first. In conclusion, to optimize the health benefits of turmeric, pair it with black pepper, use it in your cooking, and stick to the recommended daily dosage. Remember, while turmeric is beneficial, it's not a substitute for a balanced diet or medical treatment. So, let's recap what we've learned about turmeric today. We began by debunking some common myths surrounding this golden spice. Turmeric, despite its recent surge in popularity, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's not a miracle cure-all, but it does have some significant health benefits. We dispelled the notion that it's only beneficial in large doses. Even small amounts can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. We also addressed the myth that turmeric only benefits the digestive system. In reality, its advantages extend far beyond that, potentially impacting everything from your mood to your heart health. Next, we delved into the myriad health benefits of turmeric. The active component, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It can help manage oxidative stress, which contributes to several chronic conditions. We also explored how turmeric can improve brain function, potentially slowing the progression of Alzheimer's disease and other neurodegenerative conditions. It can even support heart health by improving endothelial function and reducing inflammation and oxidation. Furthermore, turmeric can assist with joint health, offering relief from arthritis symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling and pain, while its antioxidant effects combat oxidative damage in joint tissues. And let's not forget its potential role in cancer prevention. While it isn't a standalone treatment, research suggests that turmeric may help reduce the risk of cancer and hinder the spread of cancerous cells. We then talked about how to optimize these benefits. Bioavailability is the key here. The body doesn't absorb curcumin well on its own. However, pairing turmeric with black pepper can enhance absorption by up to 2000%. Fat can also aid in absorption, so consider adding turmeric to dishes with healthy fats like avocados or olive oil. Moreover, heat can activate turmeric, making its beneficial compounds more available to your body. Lastly, we discussed the potential side effects of turmeric. While it's generally safe for most people, high doses or long-term use can cause gastrointestinal problems. And as with any supplement, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting a new regimen, especially for those with existing health conditions or taking other medications. Remember, turmeric is a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle, but it's not meant to replace a balanced diet or medical advice. It can complement a healthy lifestyle and provide additional benefits, but it's not a substitute for professional healthcare. So, next time you see turmeric, remember, it's more than just a spice. It's a powerful ally for your health. Until next time, stay golden.